Lightning II fighter aircraft is arguably as iconic in the United States as the dreaded F-22 Raptor. The revolutionary advancements it has produced have proven futile and advantageous. The design of the aircraft has garnered international acclaim and admiration. It served as a testament to the capabilities of American engineering and ingenuity to accomplish unattainable feats, while also introducing a paradigm shift in military aeronautics. The F-35's history commences with the Joint Strike Fighter program, an endeavor to develop a subsequent generation of Stowville aircraft capable of supplanting the iconic F-16. For the resulting contract, industry titans from across the nation vied for entry. McDonnell's, Douglas, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Northrop Grumman labored ceaselessly to introduce their most innovative designs as offering. Nevertheless, the coveted opportunity would be won by Lockheed's revolutionary reheated turbofan augmented thrust engine, which featured a futuristic lift system. Although Boeing's design presented fewer obstacles than Lockheed's, the Department of Defense concluded that the superior performance of Lockheed's innovative lift fan system significantly justified its inherent dangers. Thus, the momentous corporation would embark alongside the United States government on an endeavor to irrevocably alter the benchmarks and functionalities of contemporary jet fighters. The F-35 program would be powered by an unprecedented Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine. The organization would collaborate with Rolls-Royce and Hamilton Sundstrand in order to develop an unprecedented propulsion system that enabled exceptionally brief launch duration. The lift system, which was created by Rolls-Royce, was conceptualized using revolutionary new technology. In contrast to the Yak-38, which utilized distinct lift engines or the rotating nozzles of the Harrier, the new engine supplied the required lift via a highly flexible thrust vectoring nozzle. Additionally, afterburn temperatures were not a problem for the F-135's nozzle. To accomplish vertical flight, the nozzle would propel propulsion in any desired direction, enabling the pilot to execute a vast array of landing and departure maneuvers while maintaining a notable degree of invisibility. The propulsion system was equipped with an impressive 29,000 units. The F-135's technological advancements, inventiveness, and brilliance are still considered among the finest achievements in American aeronautical history. The country received the prestigious Collier Trophy in recognition of this achievement. It was boasted as a versatile fighter jet capable of fulfilling the requirements of the United States military, including the Air Force, Marine Corps, and Navy. Furthermore, it was designed to operate for the Royal Air Force and Royal Navy of Great Britain. Lockheed Martin markets it as a versatile, powerful, and cost-effective fighter aircraft that surpasses anything adversaries could possibly create in the next 2 decades. Lockheed Martin estimated that the aircraft would be 8 times more effective at air-to-ground combat and 4 times more effective in air-to-air combat than existing aircraft. Additionally, it is 3 times more effective at detecting and neutralizing the air defenses of an adversary.